The general studies is of 200 marks. The curriculum has basic history, basically Indian history, geography also of India, polity and governance, Indian economy or economic development, environment and ecology, environment and ecology, and science and technology, and please remember, this is the recent most trend and it is going to last for a while. The prior dominance will be of course the current events. They are not current affairs, they are current events that will have a general relevance to all these topics that you have mentioned. This is going to be the syllabus for your prelims. This syllabus is of 200 marks. Please remember, it is going to be objective type. That means multiple choice questionnaires. Total there will be 100 questions and each question will be of 2 marks. Please remember, for every question getting correct you will be awarded 2 marks. For every question you get incorrect you will be penalized, that is 1/3 of the allotted marks, that is 0.66. Students do not calculate these things. Knowing a lot of information and clearing the prelims, there is a lot of difference between the two. It does not matter how knowledgeable you are, how you effectively implement these information is going to ensure your selection, right? So this is how the general studies question paper is set. Please understand the recent trend. Generally speaking, it used to be 100 plus minus 10. This used to be the cutoff. Right now it is round about 90, rather plus minus 5. This is the recent cutoff. The cutoff has declined significantly because of the increasing complexity of the paper. With the recent trends, some of my students who are here, I suppose, who have appeared for the prelims, they have found out that the question is rather very unpredictable and on difficult lines. Majority of the students, they are panicking in the examination hall. The first half an hour they are becoming very extremely crucial for selection or rejection. The first half an hour, if you have panicked too much, it is going to be detrimental for your end result. If you have managed the initial time effectively, that is going to accrue benefit to you. So you are going to train yourself in that direction. Clearing the prelims, you have to solve as many MCQs as possible. You have to appear for questions in your prelims. You have to solve the previous year's question papers and solve as many mocks as possible. After your general studies, there is the CSAT paper. Here are elements such as general, mental ability, there is quantitative aptitude, there is comprehension, and reasoning. Right? These are the major components. Syllogism, other types of questions are there as well. For the CSAT paper, please remember, it is again going to be of 200 marks. And here, total of 80 questions you will have to solve. For each question is going to be of 2.5 marks. Also, for each question you get correct, you will be awarded 2.5 marks. For each question you answer incorrectly, you will be penalized 1/3 marks allotted. That is going to be 0.84 marks. Please remember, the CSAT paper is going to be qualifying in nature. And the questions are also going to be objective or MCQ type. The types of MCQs, the trend of the questions that are being set, they are changing every year. Again, I have noticed that the students, they hope to have a basic trend, a regularity in the pattern they expect on these lines. Very recently in the news also it came that there are in the streets people complaining about the complexity of CSAT. That is tragic and often inviting humor. Complaining about making the CSAT paper easy. This is something probably UPSC cannot entertain. So I remember those days, probably in 2015. Previously CSAT was not qualifying. So students from technical background used to score a lot of marks there and used to get qualified for writing mains. Then also the students from humanities background, they claimed that the students from technical background, they have their separate papers. For engineers there is IES, for the doctors they have IMS, for the humanities, from humanities background, all they have is UPSC or IAS. To give a leverage, that means a platform of equality, the UPSC decided that they will make CSAT qualifying. But in the recent times, what is being seen is that the complexity, the toughness, difficulty of CSAT has been increasing. Even my students from the technical background, medicine, engineering or otherwise, they are incapable in clearing the CSAT. So there are different tips and tricks to clear the paper. You should be mindful about it.